Are you tired of vacuuming and mopping your floors every day? The latest robot vacuums in 2026 are smarter, more powerful, and hands-free than ever before. From ultra-strong suction and self-emptying docks to AI obstacle avoidance and self-cleaning mops, today's models can handle almost everything on their own. In this video, we've selected the top 5 best robot vacuums of 2026 based on cleaning performance, smart features, battery life, and overall value. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Dreame L40S Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop. Powered by an impressive 19,000 PA suction, this robot easily removes dust, pet hair, crumbs, and debris from hardwood floors, tiles, and carpets. What really sets it apart is its fully automated cleaning station, which automatically empties the dustbin, washes the mop pads, and dries them after every cleaning session, so maintenance is kept to a minimum. The 100% disentangling duo brush is especially useful for homes with pets, preventing hair from wrapping around the brush. Its extending mop pads and side brush help clean corners and edges that many robot vacuums often miss. Thanks to intelligent obstacle detection and the ability to climb obstacles up to 1.57 inches, the L40S moves smoothly throughout your home without getting stuck. You can also control everything through the smartphone app or voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant. Pros: powerful 19,000 PA suction, fully automatic self-emptying and self-cleaning station, excellent pet hair performance, extending mop and side brush, smart app and voice control, great obstacle climbing ability. If you want a truly hands-free cleaning experience with excellent vacuuming and mopping performance, the Dreame L40S Ultra is one of the best robot vacuums you can buy in 2026. Number 2. Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo with Self-Empty Base. It combines strong suction power with intelligent LiDAR navigation, allowing it to create accurate maps of your home for efficient cleaning. Instead of randomly moving around, it cleans room by room with impressive precision. The included self-emptying dock can hold debris for up to 2 to 3 months, dramatically reducing maintenance. Its battery delivers up to 220 minutes of runtime, making it suitable for larger homes. Whether you're cleaning hardwood floors, carpets, or dealing with pet hair, this robot automatically adjusts its cleaning pattern for better performance. Pros: self-emptying dock, smart LiDAR mapping, long 220-minute battery life, strong suction, great for pet hair, excellent value. If you're looking for premium convenience without paying flagship prices, this robot vacuum offers excellent value for money. Number 3. Dreame L60 Ultra PE. Its incredible 30,000 PA suction is among the strongest available today, allowing it to deep clean carpets while effortlessly removing fine dust and larger debris. The robot features corner-to-edge cleaning, an advanced disentangling brush for pet hair, intelligent obstacle avoidance, and 360-degree navigation that maps your home with impressive accuracy. Like other premium Dreame models, it automatically washes its mop pads, empties the dustbin, and minimizes maintenance. Pros: extremely powerful 30,000 PA suction, excellent corner cleaning, self-cleaning dock, great navigation, outstanding pet hair performance, smart obstacle avoidance. If cleaning performance is your highest priority, the Dreame L60 Ultra PE is one of the most powerful robot vacuums available in 2026. Number 4. Eufy E25 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. With 20,000 PA suction, it easily handles dust, pet hair, and everyday messes. The standout feature is its Hydrojet self-cleaning roller mop, which continuously washes itself while cleaning your floors for better results. The all-in-one station automatically empties dust, while the zero-tangle brush minimizes hair buildup. AI-powered obstacle avoidance helps the robot safely navigate around shoes, cables, furniture, and toys. Its extendable side brush improves edge cleaning, making sure dirt doesn't collect along walls and corners. Pros: strong 20,000 PA suction, hydrojet self-cleaning mop, zero tangle brush, AI obstacle avoidance, great for pet owners, low maintenance. The Eufy E25 is an excellent option for families looking for powerful vacuuming, efficient mopping, and low-maintenance operation. Number 5. Roborock Saros 10R. Despite its ultra-slim 3.14-inch design, it delivers an impressive 22,000 PA suction, allowing it to clean under beds, sofas, and other low furniture that many robot vacuums can't reach. Its zero tangling brush is perfect for homes with pets, while FlexiArm riser technology automatically adjusts cleaning performance when moving between carpets and hard floors. The self-emptying dock also washes and dries the mop pads with hot air, helping reduce odors and bacteria between cleaning sessions. Pros: ultra-slim design, powerful 22,000 PA suction, zero tangle brush, excellent corner cleaning, self-emptying and hot air drying station, great smart navigation. If you need a robot vacuum that combines premium cleaning performance with an ultra-slim design, the Roborock Saros 10R is a fantastic choice. So, those were our top 5 best robot vacuums of 2026. If you want the best overall cleaning experience, the Dreame L40S Ultra is our top recommendation. If raw suction power matters most, the Dreame L60 Ultra PE is hard to beat. And if you're looking for premium smart features with excellent value, both the Eufy E25 and Roborock Saros 10R are outstanding options. You'll find links to all 5 robot vacuums in the description below, where you can check the latest prices and availability. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.